What's up guys, it's Michael here, and in this video I'd like to update you on a couple of items that I recently bought. I just got the ADATA XPG SX8200 Pro. It's a 2TB version as my secondary SSD. We're going to do a speed test on this drive today. The SSD will be installed in the X570i gaming ROG strix motherboard alongside 64 gigs of 3200 MHz RAM, the Corsair SFX 750 power supply, getting ready for the 32-thread Ryzen 3950X. My graphics card is not the best, but the GeForce 1660 runs Arma free quite well on high settings. I already have one nvme SSD installed in the motherboard and using it as my main system drive. The XPG is going to be a backup, and also I'm planning to install another drive for Adobe Premiere and After Effects as a cache drive. Unfortunately, we can't install the cache drive today because I don't have the 6-pin to SATA power adapter on hand. There are also two new machines running Linux. Both of them are exactly the same, based on the MSI B450 Mortar Max motherboards. 16 gigs of 3200 MHz HyperX RGB. Both have 2 GB 128 gigs SSDs, and both are running the AMD Athlon 3000G. 2 cores, 4 threads with Vega-free graphics on board. The same thermal take power supply at 450 watts is installed, and they both sit in the thermal take V21 cases. These two machines are going to be my servers running 24/7. So let's install the SSD, and I did run into a few problems, like the stud holding the SSD heatsink was turning while unscrewing, so I had to use pliers to hold it down in place. Installing the SSD was an easy process. However, you need to look out for the RGB pins that are attached to the top part of the ROG heatsink. One mistake and you're gonna bend the pins. Bye bye RGB. I also drilled a hole in the bottom cover of my DIY case, which you have not seen in detail yet. I did this because I suspect the bottom of the motherboard has little airflow, and I noticed SSD temps going up to around 55 degrees Celsius at idle. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna show you more about this case. Just let me know down in the comments. So the speeds of the SSD are decent, and for the price you can't argue with the endurance and capacity that this XPG drive presents. Thanks for watching and see you soon.